Yo, what's up guys, we're back at it, and today we are removing and installing new mirrors on the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe. So first things first, let's remove the previous mirror on the Kawasaki. We're simply going to lift up the rubber cover. You gotta kind of have to work at it sometimes because it's grippy AF. You really gotta get it up there. There we go. Once you do that, you can see what's holding the mirror in place. Now to get rid of this lock, we're going to turn it clockwise to loosen. Okay, you're going to need a monkey wrench, an adjustable wrench, clockwise. Okay, so we'll get it on there and then clockwise to the left. Hold on, give it a little, there we go. Once it breaks, you can just simply do it by hand. So we're going to adjust that clockwise, and now the mirror is loose, so we're going to rotate the mirror clockwise as well to remove it. You might have to move the mirror up so it clears the windscreen, but we're moving clockwise to loosen. It's going to be the same thing on the other side. Clockwise to loosen the lock, clockwise to loosen the mirror. You don't want to do it the wrong way and then get your bolt sheared off in there and then you're screwed. Alright, simple. Let's do the same thing on the left side. We're going to lift up the rubber cover. We'll get our adjustable monkey wrench, get it on there, and then once again we're going clockwise to loosen. Clockwise. Clockwise, there we go. Once it breaks the lock, the mirror is going to be free to move. Same thing, we're going clockwise to remove the mirror. And if you need to, adjust that mirror so you can clear the windscreen. Same thing, clockwise, comes off, real easy, almost there. And voila. So we loosen the lock clockwise, and then we loosen the mirror clockwise. And to replace that, we just do the exact opposite with another universal mirror. We're going to place it, the bolt, line them up. We'll go counterclockwise to tighten the mirror, and then counterclockwise to tighten the lock. Move the rubber cover down, and you're good to go. Now for me, I like to have certain reference points when I set up my mirrors. When I'm in the riding position, I want to be able to see the corner of my elbows. And when I'm sitting up, I want to be able to see almost my shoulders in the mirror. So right now they're both locked in. It's just a good reference point so you keep things even Steven. Now to sum things up, the Kawasaki is the reverse thread M10 125 pitch. Hope this was helpful. Get some new mirrors, see the world better. Love you. Keep the rub side down. Mwah.